Hi everyone! Introduce me to Rena Mahikumalintang with study ID number 95 Islamic Economic Law Class 2. This video was made to fulfill the assignment for the mid-semester exam for English courses about the procedural text with the title How to Make a Turmeric Mask. Well, for those who are curious, just go to the video. First step, tools and materials. Turmeric powder, olive oil, then cow milk, brush, spoon, container, and water. First, add 2 tablespoons of cow milk. Add a spoonful of turmeric powder. Add a tablespoon of olive oil. Pour 3 spoons of water. Then, stir until evenly distributed. Before using the mask, clean your face first. Apply the mask all over the face until evenly distributed. Wait for the mask for dry for about 15 minutes. Then rinse using cold water until clean. So that's how to make a turmeric mask. Easy. Thanks for watching and see you!